Today's Wednesday, February 22nd. We're out spreading urea today, just to give you an idea of what the soil type looks like this time of the year or in these conditions. We got loose soil about an inch and a half deep. It's froze underneath that distance, so we should be in good shape for spreading, provided we get some moisture within the next few days.
Good morning. Today's Monday, February 27th. Just to follow up on the spreading we done last week. As you can see outside, we did get the moisture we needed to cover up the urea, so everything should have worked just fine.